I'm super excited to have received from Anker their Series 6 USB-C cable. And why I'm excited is because we are redoing our whole studio. We've got a lot of power supply going on, and I need the fastest and highest type of charge. This beautiful cable, and I mean, I wish you could feel it because that rubber feel, it's a rubberized cable, comes with that little attachment right here that is also rubber, which is really, really cool. And look at this beautiful cable. Now, why I'm excited about this is the Series 6. This is able to work with 100-watt chargers. So basically, if you've got 100 watts, computers, yeah, I mean, most computers, most laptops will require higher than 65 watts. So this 100-watt will ensure that you are quick charging. And look how long this thing is. Super nice. I feel like this is not going to tangle very easily because of the rubber material. So Anker, again, doing an incredible job with these beautiful USB-C charging cables.